Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to connect this main router. This is from my internet service provider. This is for our main Wi-Fi in our house. So I'm gonna extend my Wi-Fi from this main router into this router. So this is a D-Link DAP1360. So this is D-Link DAP1360. So it has two antenna, one LAN input, one power, and this is a hole. This is for a reset. This is a hole for a reset, for a factory reset, and we have a DC adapter connecting to here. So I'm gonna use this in my rooftop. So I'm gonna extend my Wi-Fi into my rooftop. Okay, let's get started. So first I'm gonna use this LAN cable and plug it to here, and we need a laptop. So I'm gonna try to connect to my laptop, input laptop here. As you can see here, right now I'm connected to my main router. This is F13, my main internet Wi-Fi from this router. This is our D-Link router. It is showing, and it is showing like this. If we connect it to our laptop, it will showing D-Link DAP1360. So first step, I'm gonna disconnect my main Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna connect to D-Link DAP1360. Okay, we are now connected, but no internet yet, and it's open. So now we are connected to the Ethernet, this one, this cable, and we need to set the IP address. Click right click, properties, double click TCP4, and we already put manually 192.168.0.51 or any number that not conflicted with other IP address with other computers or other devices. And we are open our browser, and we put the access point page for the D-Link. Okay, to open D-Link login page, we need to know the IP address. Here you can find backside from the unit. Here you can find HTTP 192.168.0.50 and username admin, password, leave the field blank. Okay, we are gonna try now. D-Link app, enter. Okay, now we are inside the D-Link access point page. Now we click next, and we have three options here. You can use the router into access point, wireless client, and repeater. The picture is for access point mode, and this is for a wireless client, and this is for a repeater. For now I want to try the access point mode, and we click next. For example, we can use another name. I want to change into rooftop, and I will put the same password, rooftop. Minimum it's 8 character here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I need one more. Rooftop 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Click next, and then next. Also we can click cancel to enter the manual mode. This is the manual mode. This is the LAN setup wizard, advanced, Okay, maintenance, wireless setup. Access point, wireless network name. I will put the rooftop. And this is for the security mode. This is for the password. I want to use a personal password. I will use rooftop 1 for the password. We click save setting here. Okay, now we can disconnect the network. And now we can plug into our main router. This is the main internet. This is the 3 Ethernet that we can put. And after we plug the cables, we need to check into our network Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi. And we can disable this. And now we can see there are two Wi-Fi name. This is my original internet Wi-Fi F13, and this is our new Wi-Fi coming from the D-Link access point. We can connect. We can put the password rooftop 1 and click next. Click yes. And now we are connected to our internet. We can check YouTube. It's working now. Okay. Now we can try to check another Wi-Fi. This is my old Wi-Fi. Connect. And it is also connected now. See? Also,
halo guys, tapi di sini dan Anda pasti pernah ngalamin kejadian kayak
it's working now.
Kita masih lihat.
Okay, yes, our setting is succeeded. We can create two Wi-Fi from this main router and this D-Link DAP1360. Okay guys, that's it. This is how you connect your D-Link DAP1360 into your main router in your house. I hope this is helps, and thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like the video. Support me making more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. Bye bye.